If you want to see how I made this beautiful wall decor piece, then just keep watching. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining my channel again. Today I'm creating another unique wall decor piece, and I'm using 8 by 10 Dollar Tree frame, and I'm taking the items out of the back. I'm going to take this outside and spray paint it silver. Once I spray paint it, I am going to add some bling right around the edge. Now that my item has dried, I added the bling. I also put in a piece of plexiglass. Our next step is to fill our Dollar Tree charger plate with pink and silver glitter in the middle. And once I fill that, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to glue the acrylic rocks down. But I did put a little piece of wood to raise the acrylic rocks up some, so when I put the picture frame going across like that, those rocks will look like they're raised up. They won't be sunk down in there. Before I add the Glam glitter, I'm going to paint these little wood pieces. I ordered this paint from Hobby Lobby. I would suggest that you never order this type of paint online, because I guess it's been sitting in a warehouse or something, and it's really thick and gooey, and that's not how this paint is supposed to be. I ordered some gold from Michael's, and I had the same problem. So I really can't use it except for little projects like this. I'm going to apply a couple of coats, let it dry, and I'll be back. Next, I'm going to add some of the pink Glam glitter to this tray, but I'm going to use epoxy on it. This year is going to be a much better year for me. I claim it. I finished putting the pink ribbon, rhinestone ribbon, all around it. Then I glued the picture frame down to it, and I'm coming back to show you how they look on the wall. Guys, these turned out absolutely beautiful. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, and please comment on it. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone, and have a blessed day.